is writing skill, where you can see how you will how to write a report. Okay. So today I am going to give you all the rules, all the things that you will have to keep in your mind for writing a report. Okay. So let's have a look for report writing. Here you can see the title report writing. Okay. It is a one kind of writing skill. Here first of all let me tell you actually the definition of the report writing. What is a report? I hope you have heard these words somewhere, that what is report. Report that has been given into school news, journal, newspaper, many where you have seen report. First of all let us look at the definition of report writing. So report is a clear and concise document. What does it mean concise? Concise means brief explanation. It will be of 200 words. Not exactly 200 words. It would be of less than 200 or it would be of greater than 200. But no, not more than 250 words. So it is a clear and concise document. After that, what is the purpose of the report writing? Why you have written the report writing? So might be there are two reasons. We are writing the report just because for some event or for some incident. So these are the purpose to write the report. So I hope this is clear that what is report. So report is clear and concise document, means clear and brief document. And what would be the purpose? So purpose is to write about event and to write about incident. This is called report writing. After that, here you can see report is written for. For what we are writing report? So here you can see report is written. Report is written for. For what we are writing report? So we are writing report for first one. Here you can see school news. For school news we can write report. For journal we can write, and for newspaper we can write report. So reporter has given us a story and that report we can code as report writing. But for report writing we are having specific format. Without format you can't write any kind of writing skill. So with the professional report you would have to follow one of the format that I will give you into this video. For making your report effective, and if you want to gain the marks for it, and if you want to get the good marks for the report, then definitely you will have to use these method for report writing. So I hope this two concept is clear. What is report writing? And report is written for. So report is written for school news, journal and newspaper. Now let us move forward that points to remember while writing report. Which points you will have to keep in your mind for report. So there are some points that you will have to keep in your mind to make your report effective. So first point I will tell you that I am going to tell you is report in the past tense. Report should be written in the past tense. Always report you will have to write into past tense. Second, don't use first person. In the report, you will have to use third person. You cannot use the first person. You will have to use second or the third person into report. Third one is use indirect speech. Do not use I or me. As I have told you, first person you can't use into the report writing. Yes, you can use third person. And last one is use passive voice. So these four are the points where you will have to follow report writing. So I hope the first page is literally clear for you that what is report. Actually report is a clear and concise document. The purpose for report writing is event or incident. For event you can write report, or the incident, for that you can write the report. Report is written for school news, journal or newspaper. Some points I have given over here to remember, and you will have to follow these whenever you are writing report writing. So report should be into the past tense. Don't use first person. Use indirect speech. Do not use I, me. You can use third person and use passive voice. I hope this page is clear. Okay. Now here you can see the format of the report writing. Whenever you are writing any kind of writing skill, there should be a format. So here also for report writing we are having specific format. How we will have to write the report writing? Let me introduce about the format. First of all, whenever you are going to start to write report, you will have to put heading, and heading should be in capital letters only. Afterwards, into the next line on the right hand side, you will have to write reported by, or else only by name or designation. So first of all heading, afterwards reported by or by name, designation. You will have to write these information whenever you are just opening the report. Afterwards on the left hand side you will have to write down the place where actually the event happened. Afterwards you will have to mention date, and then the body. Main thing is the body. In body we have covered three parts. First part is introduction, second part is main content, third part is conclusion. So first of all in body, how will we have to give introduction? Let us start. Into the first line you will have to write what is actually report about, who has organized, when it happened, where it occurred, why that means that incident or event was conducted. Third line, volunteers participation. So in introduction let me tell you that into the first line you will have to use what is about, means what is the purpose about the event, who had these, when it was held and where it was held. Second line you will have to write the reason for the event or incident. Into the third line you will have to say about the volunteers participation, whatever the persons are there for that report, that for you will have to mention the person over there, how they have worked over there. Afterwards second paragraph is of main content. So main content was how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. Highlights I have already told you into the note writing, but here highlights are different. So into the main content means second paragraph you will have to mention all about the report, event or incident. Afterwards here you have given conclusion. So conclusion would be summarize the end of the event with a positive note. Always you will have to give positive, or moral should be positive into the report. So into the report writing you will have to follow this format. See here I have draw box. In report writing there is no mandatory to write the report into a box. It is not compulsory to draw a box, but yes, if you are drawing a box it would look good and definitely you will get good marks for it. So I will suggest you to draw a box and write into it. Now here let us start with the question. Here you have given the sample report writing. I have given here that Red Cross Society organized a blood donation camp in TCS, Gandhinagar for its employees. Write a report in about 200 words covering the event as a reporter of Times of India. This is a question here you have given. For it you will have to write report writing. So again let us start to read the question what actually the report wants us to write. Red Cross Society organized a blood donation camp. So here you have given one event, blood donation camp, where in TCS, place Gandhinagar for its employees. So write a report in about 200 words covering the event. The whole event you will have to cover into one report as a reporter of Times of India. Clear? So how you will have to write, as I have told you, into the format that heading should be into the capital letters. So heading is here you have given blood donation camp at TCS. Reported by XYZ, name of the reporter, Times of India. I have written the short form of newspaper name, Times of India. T Times, O of I, India, Times of India. Left hand side as you can see here, Gandhinagar, date 14th March 2020, Now first, as I have told you, what, who, where means W you will have to use over here. All about the event you will have to tell here that a blood donation camp was organized by Red Cross Society on 10th March 2020 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at TCS Gandhinagar. The main purpose of this event was to create awareness regarding regular blood donation among the employees. So here you can see into the first place that organized by Red Cross Society, date you have given, from where time you have given, where the place you have given, the main purpose you have given. So this is just because to create awareness of regarding regular blood donation, that all will have to donate the blood. It was very well planned camp. Obviously it was planned camp. Priorly they have planned for it, and many employees voluntarily participated in this noble cause. So many participants are there. Okay, so now this first paragraph done according to the rule. Now let's start the second paragraph. Here you have given second paragraph is that a team of 5 doctors and 20 nurses were present at the location. Dr. Akash gave an informative speech on the importance of blood donation at the start of the event. So total 5 doctors are there, 20 nurses were there present at the location whenever the event was held. Dr. Akash gave an informative speech on the importance of blood donation at the start of the event. Priorly they have given the importance of this event. The first person to donate the blood was head of HR department. First of all, the person who have given the blood was HR of the department. After that, a large number of employees donated blood with beaming faced. Beaming faced means very happily they have given blood and they have donated blood. Afterwards, you can see here a proud heart refreshment was provided before and after. Refreshment means they have given such kind of drink priorly to do blood donate. The donation of blood to each donor, whatever the donor were there, whatever the participants were there, they have given the refreshment. A certificate of appreciation, donation card and tea mug were given to each donor as a token of gratitude, as they have taken part. So for appreciation they have given the certificate of appreciation, donation and tea mug to all the donors. Last paragraph conclusion. Here you can see that as the end of the event was approaching, there was a sense of satisfaction on the faces of volunteers, as total of 257 units of blood was collected. Total 257 units of blood that was collected, and all the participants looked very happy. The team of doctor appreciated all those who participated in the camp. Obviously the doctor appreciated all those participants who already participated in it and making it a huge success. So that event was successful. So here you can see the positive attitude of the event. As I have told you, conclusion always will be the positive. So let's revise whatever you did till here. Let's revise. First of all, report writing. As I have told you, what is report? Clear and concise document, purpose, event and incident. Report is written for school news, journal, newspaper. Whatever the points I have told you to remember to write, report writing is here written in the past tense. Don't use first person, use indirect speech and use passive voice. Do not use first person, use third person whenever you are writing report writing. Clear? The next thing is to write format. So let us see the format. Report writing format. Here you have given heading, reported by or by name or designation, place, date, body, introduction, main content and conclusion. 3 parts are there. Introduction, first line what, who, when, where. Second line why it was happened, why it occurred, why it held. Third line volunteers participation. Main content, how the event started and what were the highlights of the event. And at conclusion you will have to write, summarize the end of the event with a positive note. So this is the format you will have to use for report writing. I hope the whole concept you have given clearly, And now if you are having any query, you can ask me into the live session. Thank you.